الله أكبر.
Here we go again. Another uncle that can't digest his food. Oh my god! It smells like the sewers of Pakistan. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Hold it, hold it. Be a soldier. Oh my god, it's getting louder and louder. Has he got indigestion? Was this pure destruction? I can taste the biryani. Oh, hold it, hold it. Yo, which one is it? Is it my man here? Nah, this man looks a bit too innocent for these burps still. This uncle's giving me some freaky vibes still. I think it is him. I think I can do it. He hasn't dropped any burps yet. I think I can do it. Oh, the kebab stench.
What's did you do something wrong? You must have eaten too much. Nowadays, doggy dog generation.